The Data Import Wizard is designed to relieve you of the time-consuming task of manually entering or updating large amounts of existing data into QuickBooks Point of Sale Desktop. The wizard takes customer, vendor, or item information entered into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or a comma-delimited text file and transfers this information into the corresponding data fields in QuickBooks Point of Sale Desktop. The wizard can be used to import data from various sources, such as a predefined Excel import template. The wizard can be used to import data from various sources, such as a predefined Excel import template in QuickBooks Point of Sale Desktop, or an existing Excel spreadsheet or comma-delimited file. And the last one is data provided by vendors, such as catalog information for new inventory items or updates to existing items. To use the import wizard, go back to our QuickBooks Point of Sale. We'll select Files, Utilities, Import. This informational screen will tell you how to add new data and update existing data. We'll click Next. Choose the type of data to import. In this case, we're going to choose inventory items. You could also choose item pictures, vendors, or customers. Choose Next. The Data Import Wizard will ask you if you want to use a default template, such as this one. And here you have your vendors and your customers with this default template. Or you can use a custom file, such as this one that we created. And again, you can use the vendor catalog. We want to use a custom file. Choose Next. Here it will ask us which file that we want to import. We'll click Browse. There you go. Next, we have to select a worksheet. We'll choose Sheet 1, and then we need to enter on what row the data starts on. And our data starts on line 2. Next, we have to manage our mappings. Select Add New from the Mapping box drop-down. Click the field to be mapped and select the drop-down arrow. Select the field that corresponds with the field in the QuickBooks Point of Sale Desktop. Click Show All Available Fields and it'll bring up all of the fields from the QuickBooks Point of Sale. Note that the item name field says it's the only required field. If item number, item type, and tax code are not mapped, Point of Sale will assign an item number, the item type will be inventory, and the tax code will be tax. This concludes Part 1 of using the Import Data Wizard.